Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. It's your girl Shanice, and I've known that I've been not posting as much as you guys would like me to, but I am trying my best to be posting. But please bear with me, I'm still young, I am new to this, so for all I'm loyal supporters, they must still stay tuned. I am so grateful. Thank you. Watch it to the end, subscribe, share, and comment. Bye.
How are you? Nothing. So make your face long down so.
Just a thing, say, you want to me, you want to look a man now. You need a father figure in your life.
No sir. Me not think so. We are doing. Me no want no stepfather that they fi go for. Yeah,
Which
that
part?
right match.
No. Me say me want a man.
I say go back for daddy.
No, me know him is your father and everything, but Let me tell you something. You see your father to me, in coming like fallen blossom. You see them tree and you see how much blossom it have and how it bear blossom enough. And all of the blossom them drop down and rotten on the ground. I say your father is to me. You want a man and you need a father figure in your life. You're coming into a big girl now.
Hold on there. Cause me not understand what you're talking about. Me not watch fruit tree. So me not see when fruit rotten and drop down.
You don't have to watch your fruit tree, baby. You're
But
doing
this is-
right. Come take your book and
I'm a big
concentrate.
girl.
Of
So if
course.
I code you're talking, I mean all of that already. Google teach me enough. Yes. Me just
I
go
talk
on
about
Google.
nature.
No nature I talk about.
Of course, it's nature. Me talking about the trees blossoming and blooming, and then the blossom them drop a ground, and then rotten bad.
So since when I watch fruit tree.
If you know watch nature, you don't learn nothing in a life. And
But me not
nature
see a fruit
teach you
tree, I
things,
say.
yeah.
Me not see a fruit tree. I say.
And not just Yosemite Bay.
Mommy, you think me head big for nothing? Listen to me. Google teach me a lot, so me know exactly what you're talking about. So stop talking a code. Me can go up on Google. Listen up. I go up on Google and me type in that. And me say everything what I want to say. Stop talking a code to me. Can me understand what you say. You might not want to tell me right way, but me understand. Google teach me. Yes.
So I just Google Yagapan for that teaching that you get. You know, get no teaching out the door.
No. Me just go up on Google when I want teaching.
Know what you're doing now? And your exam, Sasha, is your exam them. And your book you're supposed to be using Google for education.
Then me not study, me still study.
Make sure you know what you're studying, my girl.
Me study, but sometimes me studying is get boring. So I have to do different things. I have to
Me
search
no
up
want
different
you to do
things.
birds and bees and trees and blossoms on Google here. No want you do maths and science and social studies and all them the other things on Google. That is what you are to use it for.
Me use that for YouTube. When me search up, I go on YouTube.
Here what? Go inside, yeah.
Yes.
And nobody take your father off of your mind for that. Him is your father, and that is what him supposed to be, and the job him supposed to do. So take that off of your mind, yeah.
No, take new man off of your mind and go back to my father because I'm my best man for you.
The only thing good come from that man is you, baby girl. Me glad and me thank God say me get you. But that is it.
Me no want a stepfather, you know, me tell a friend now.
Alright, you're too young for this anyway. Go on inside.
Yeah, me go inside.
You're too young for this. Go.
Daddy, bossy. You done already? I mean, you done already.
You look on the time. You kind of look a bit. You're 2
Me
minutes.
done and beard off and cause me I come
Two-
check your car money time now.
You're done and be there, so that's means you're more than 2 minutes early.
Look
so
money time. 12:30. Me done from 10:30.
I call it say you're 33 minutes early. You see, it's 2-1, man. You should have wait, man. You should have surprised me and come here even 1 hour after. I'm
Bossy,
thinking,
at lunchtime, get something in my stomach. Need some money. Where I say boy like getting off the money for you?
But all the money, because we be done with the money.
So I say boy, the money me I defend.
And me tell you, I say, I only want man come even 33 minutes after.
Why more than want come 33 minutes after? When me done, I'm money me need to collect money. Me no need to come down here and bag talking.
I saw you the rest. Just manage that, buy lunch, and lunch if you want buy.
So when me I get my pay,
Just relax, man.
bossy, me have whole heap of things when me have.
Alright, you know about this, sir.
Me have whole, me go buy the lunch I say me get.
Okay.
But nobody take it back out of my pay. Cause you buy me a lunch.
Boy, how out are you pay that I come from, you know?
Five days you
You're
give me.
supposed to bring your own lunch, come and work. When you go to Chinese and I
When
work,
me work at hotel and give me my own lunch, then provide taxi for me go to work. What you mean by?
you know why then give you lunch when you do the because you have nothing to do with the food or waste. When you go to Chinese no cook.
So you want
So you know, get
I
your
left
lunch.
over them and give them.
Yes.
Wait.
You're not. What you don't know? What you don't know?
Well, you don't know. You ever work at hotel? You ever work at hotel yet?
Of course.
One thing you know if you do a build up, blow like a building block. You know work at hotel.
I was a chef.
Chef.
I worked there.
Chef.
And then you see staff
Chef.
lunch.
Wait,
them-
which part you are
staff
chef?
lunch them never prepare good. And me,
Oh, you look
staff-
for curry chicken. Explain.
oh, curry chicken. How many about it?
That me answer.
Yeah, you can just take up the chicken out of the fridge, see when dash in the pot and curry.
See? You don't know if you curry chicken.
Oh.
You have to rub up the curry upon the chicken, throw a little seasoning and rub up it on it, and in the burn, look at curry in the pot and dash in the pot. That's how you curry chicken. You don't know if you cook.
Let me ask you a question. You ever get a degree in chef? I have my degree. put
Only
it in there.
degree me have over here a roll on degree. Me no have none of them sitting there.
Keep the roll on.
And you not have none, cause if you have your own sit down yourself, I give me 5 bills to go buy lunch. You only there so right now.
You know, say you stink and bright.
Where degree there?
You know, say you stink
Tim,
and bright.
show me a degree.
Let me show you a picture of my degree. Master in kitchen, best in the West. Bright. You know,
So them the man they have degree.
you know,
Them the man they have degree, bro. Them man they have about 3-4 bike per road. Them the man they have degree.
so you know, me at 6 car.
What?
You know, me at 6 car.
6 car.
Eh? Listen me, man. And that's why you're not going to reach now. You're going to forever be a machine, man. You're going to forever chop people
Me
yard.
see all me turn at
See?
this your work.
At my degree, make you have to come link me to chop yard. Or what? So talk to me now.
You know, me come
Talk
out
to
there.
me now.
Me come out there.
My degree, give me money to pay Uno. See, I live on job on. All him, yeah, what you mean? I love work. I love work at all. God of God.
Watch ya. You know, let me look for you. Come here, man. Come
You
here.
look for me all along.
Yeah.
Where you the belly?
Give me a meal with belly. From me, tell us that me a breed. And you give me a little 60,000 for dash for the belly. I don't see you back.
Yeah, if you
Well,
just show the belly, that means I will breathe now.
Doctor said the belly did too late for dash for some name the money.
So what's your problem now?
Me need money
Hold
to go
on,
to
hold on.
ultrasound.
Doctor say what?
The belly did too late so me name the money. You can't dash for anymore. So right now, me need to go do an ultrasound. Some would like some more money.
So much it cost now?
65,000.
We say 60,000 for that shit. 65 for the ultrasound. Alright. I'll check boss over here the wife still. Come on, check boss.
So me go get the money?
Go check, I'm pay me, I go find it, go check boss.
Okay, come. Right now, my back hurt.
Bush me, I come from my pay, you know my girl. Bossy! Bossy, oi! Big man, come here, call a big man, answer big man. Hey, you know big man.
Duck life.
I say your boss.
Me no boss, come
So
on.
that feel like man, you would know everybody business.
Bossy, I'm pay me, come find him. Right, money pay right now, bossy.
What's your time?
I look on the time, boss, from a woman, very big, one got that right now, bossy.
How long you know this girl?
You know, a couple months now, I know him. First time I breathe me, say, yo, you want that show, but make him 160 baht for that show.
Oh, this is 60 grand you come back from me.
Then tell him, I want
And
65
that shit
now.
belly, so come the belly did you know.
You better did too late to me me money.
Nyam
Oh,
money.
nyam the money.
He say,
So
my bleeder now.
If you make him nyam the belly then, she
He
nyam
could
the
more than
money.
nyam. He too, he gone to hand, but listen me out now, you hear me I say now? He say, my bleed out. Some want a 65 ball, you go do an ultrasound.
65,000.
Yeah, bro.
Ultra, a man like me will get 5 pitney. Ultrasound reach at 65.
Look how you get 5
How kind of boss this you have?
Come to your boss, tell a bush me
How
come
much
from
month's
me.
belly this?
Running money, man, come feed pay you and can't question me.
How much month's belly this?
Remember.
Jabon.
Yo.
How long you work for me?
Up to about 1 2 months or so.
2
Or
months.
3 about stuff.
And the belly
months,
you go
you think?
before that.
You work for me 2 months, 3 weeks, and 3 days. And the time was 6 o'clock in the morning. They check me. And now you come carry a woman in front of me and tell me lie.
So like me I tell him.
But ultrasound, 65,000.
Look at my woman.
Eh? With fake belly. Eh? That boy should have known that me.
No, when I come again. Make your belly come
Me no
back.
bother want him.
No move.
Which belly?
Make your belly come back.
Come on, make we go.
No move.
Listen, me not pay you.
Rewind and come again.
Me not
What you
pay
mean you
you.
not pay me?
Because you come to trick me.
Trick.
Me not pay you, know.
Where belly
Me
gone?
a plan day one me not trust you, know.
Where the belly
Tell
gone?
Tugger say me not trust you,
I
know.
don't know.
Me say, are we chopping, you know? Where belly gone?
Come out of me yard.
Turkey.
Come out and boss yard.
So come with
No,
If
me.
they come out of my boss yard for me
Hey,
chop
hey,
you.
hey. Check me a morning. Me not pay today, me a punish you. Come out
Punish
of
me
me
for what? Me chop in the bossy. Boss na ramp with me bossy.
a job me wanna cut that off of me. Say you chop me.
Me chop you with my bossy na ramp with. Jaw for nothing. Jaw for nothing bossy. Jaw for nothing. Run to.
Hello. Youngest. You see, me could have locked you up, you know.
I never made idea.
Because you come in here with him, plan up to come scam me.
And I hear what?
And I tell you about 65,000
Who idea? Left him man yard. Chop you. Left him man come and chop you. Tell the girl.
They come check me later with the
Who
money.
later with which money? Pure. Lift up. Boss me. Like favor.
Oh, yeah, man. Yeah, I like here, I'm too. I play. Give me my shit.
What's
I
up?
told you. Right, put on my shit. Yeah, man. Yeah, I like here, I'm too. So what you say? How much you owe you?
Just give me a daily pace, daddy. I never know, say, I buy me the company piece of money again, but if I lay that, I never know.
Yeah, man, you never know. Alright, that's true. Left me job, yeah. Left me yard. Left me yard. Yeah, eat that. You want chop. Come. Right.
Sure, pile them up here, so. Just check it.
Yes, baby, baby. No, you love me.
I
You
real
love
rubbish
me.
me I deal with.
You love me.
Love what?
I love you, man. You have all the whole super see you here.
I fling me, I go fling them where I'm bun them.
Come on, come. So I'm going to go out to the soup bag of rice. You know, just buy the meat.
Where you go with sauce rice?
Huh?
Where you go with sauce rice?
Don't buy sauce rice.
Where the meat kind? Where the vegetable? Where the fruits them? You phone me and tell me say you do shopping for Shorty and bring food for Shorty. Where you go with that?
So how wrong with this?
Where the rest?
You know where this is coming from?
My business. I
You-
sauce rice
You not
that.
even a passport, much less. This is travel from plane.
You ever
Long
travel
grain
from plane?
rice.
You ever travel from plane?
Don't worry about that.
Ah, yeah, talk about.
Don't worry about that. This year is the best rice, and the Chinese rice. This year is a good rice. You understand? So me know why you gonna go on like say. You go on like you better than this.
Hey,
This is the way to your belly.
Lord God, that's why we can't do with you, you know. You're a real idiot, you know.
You
You're a real
want-
girl
You
clown,
want
you
me
know.
back, man.
Hey, 1, 2 back.
If
Me
me
no
a boss,
desperate.
a two
Me no pick.
workers, me have a clean up my land enough. Begin to work
Land
every
you
day.
have? Open your ear and stop dream. Which land you have? Eh?
When my father dead left, I clean down.
Your father dead left and in there, leave no will, so you have to go through the government. I capture land, you capture land. Hey!
And that would you know. And that's why me you can never breathe.
Mm-hmm.
Because you put things your way and you put things my way.
Oh,
You're the
God.
man.
I put it the legal way. That
Yo,
on
walk.
your backside.
You tell your best friend, say, me now no use in a bed. Oh dare you to do that?
Hey, me just talk my truth. You know no use. You know no use.
Okay.
I lost the sperm get lost, you know. I lost the sperm get lost and
so you
find
see-
the way. Let me get Sasha.
Come here.
That's the
Come here.
only piece of use you have.
Take time talk. I'm not
So after you give me my daughter,
never
me and you know nothing there again. And
You
you
don't
know
like what you do. You don't like what you do. Take me in your life, man. The people
no,
need our father.
you name X for a reason. Let me I go back for
No. You're ex-man. Right?
2.
Them right too.
You
You
must
talk about
know.
ex-man in the
Two.
movie. You that the man. Don't call me no ex.
Daddy,
Sit there.
me no me hear you, know. Me no me
Proud
hear
of you.
you.
Hold on. Your hair look good.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Where did my father suffer?
You can't find
Him
it.
bring your
it's
month.
alright.
Him bring your month supply
Yes,
of
thank
food.
you very
Yeah.
much. Can be a dumpling and butter, man, I give me.
Yeah, there.
Stop tell lies.
I'm in right.
Oh, so now you, instead of the dumpling and butter, you're gonna get sauce for rice.
Nothing wrong. I
Hey,
think there's something
This
come.
travel on
Okay.
plane and then you go on boat.
Hi.
And then you go on ship.
I'm going
And
to
then you go in a
church.
barrel. Yes. And
Yeah.
come and bust the barrel.
Daddy, my father, that's
So you bust the barrel. A barrel you get.
Yeah.
How big the barrel be? A little barrel you get, not true. Little waistband barrel.
You know, so the barrel company are one wicked too. We just remember them now. They're wicked. JL. You not want to pronounce them name properly, but me just stop it there. So. They're wicked. They charge me 30,000. I mean, I pay a driver 55,000 to go to town, go collect it, then thief. They rob me and I want to look at barrel.
Oh God, a little bit. It must be little for 2 bag of rice, you know. For
Yes.
your daughter. You pick me.
So wrong with the rice.
Ah, you see.
You be glad I get rice.
Good.
Only thing I have to do is just buy meat, put with it.
No man,
Yeah.
him say him get big barrel and phone me and show off for me. So him make up provide the meat
Probably
kind
if you did
and the
take him back in
vegetable.
your life, you'd
Take
get
what?
more side things.
Take
said.
what? Take
Clap
what?
that team with that.
Me not pick up shit off a floor.
Where I catch it? You see like a shit there?
Talk to your father, you him come
What she
to
call
you,
now,
not come
Ella?
to me.
Shit. And I...
What you call now, Ella?
Me never call her, so me ask her, I say, she look like shit the pan you, that me say.
Hello. No, you're right with me, you know. Because you're not gonna be the toilet that going to flush me.
Hey,
Put on your rice.
you can't flush. You have to use plunger for that the big head and plunge it down so now when you plunge and plunge and plunge it still can't flush. But me hard man, you give your picnic the little worm rice. Go on man.
That with you see, I feel like saying, the boy with them thing, I fear son that. I fear son. You see, you're ungrateful to me. Me will have business.
Hey,
Me will have staff. What you have? You don't have
you
nothing.
know what? You're full of joke and that's the only thing you're full
I
of.
can be up.
You couldn't do it when we was together, you can't do it now. You're full
That-
of mouth
that's
like
about
Christmas
then, but
turkey. You're
now-
full of fart, Popeye.
No.
Go fart way.
No.
Go turbo boost way. You're full of fart like a Christmas turkey. Move on, go along.
Follow
I know
up.
Christmas
I
yet.
found out one thing, I fought for you,
That's you're good for. When you for put it on me, all you do is prop on me.
If you don't give me the whole if I blend, milk, me tired to tell her, say, when it catch night time, do not give me no milk, but you put strength in my back, it not gonna work. That's a toilet business.
Nothing can work for put strength in that the back. You weak like our toilet paper. Move on, go along.
See, that-
All bounty stronger than that. One sheet do plenty and you can't do that. Move on, go along. You give your picnic the 2 grain of rice, the 2 little worm rice. Go on, man.
You know what you call out there, ball for this about
Make them go ball. Make them go ball the River Nile.
You know, I say so today, one of my staff come there with him, woman, You feel like they can trick me, but they have belly, Me just take one pin and bust the belly. A balloon.
Why? So the pin are more used than you. Go on. You find some. Try. Me bust your backside once already. Me bust you again. Try.
All right,
Bye.
birdie. All right, birdie, fly.
Bye.
Fly, birdie, fly.
Bye.
Fly, birdie.
Move, boy. Naughty boy. 2 the grain of rice. I come give me picnic like say she a bird. Sure.
Shati!
Oi.
What no girl, I don't know so from me make it first call if you reach.
No, girl, me never hear me deal in my room. Hush. What go on?
Nothing. Me text you, I get the answer to me. So that you don't have no Wi-Fi and you're lonely and you're bored. So I'm
Yeah, coming at the online.
the
Internet class.
Not me realize.
Sorry, Prina.
Nothing. As me say, I hear me and your friends, so I come check if you're good. Because right now, I'm boring up on my house. So I'm going to come to your son.
Yeah, girl, me they are boring too.
Oh, sure.
But me a drama for you, girl.
Spirit.
I say my father come to my mother, you see. Come carry some things, come give my mother. I don't want to hear how ungrateful the lady a be.
So your
Of
father
course.
get things from foreign and take on your mother?
Yes.
And she a cuss?
He get barrel of things from foreign and carry come give way. And the lady
how
a
your mother
cuss
so
him, man.
ungrateful?
The lady a cuss him and talk about say my work his father and my this and my that.
No man, your mother ungrateful. She should do better.
I said, girl,
Eh?
my father get 2 grain of rice, like not 2 single grain, but a 2 single rice, like 1 pound in a each.
That's all.
Yes.
But no,
And
your
the
father
lady a cuss.
ungrateful.
What?
Me don't cuss too. So he get married from friend and a 2 pound of rice in my cake.
In can we have?
Oh, so a two parcel of rice alone come down in a 1 barrel.
I'm asked 4 and he give
Look
me 2,
here,
but I think give me 2.
tell your mother this you say. Anytime she ready to go beat up your papa, she fi call me. Because that there is stupidness.
Beautiful.
Your papa. Well, I mean, look what what your mother do. You have two rice. Yeah, next good to you know. Because somebody can be grateful for 2 grain of rice.
At least in carry something come. If I do some picnic them pan I'll give them now. At least in carry 2 grain of rice come. So me not dead fear me can cook it and them with butter.
Rice and butter.
Yes, that tastes good.
Butter no already in our rice.
No. Me want cook it and put butter in there.
You are your Japanese cuisine. Me want to touch you. You're
So me
not my
can
friend.
cook and get some.
You who? You idiot. You're man. Shawty, any day and name day you come at me or come off of me rice and Shawty, It's skin when me skin out my body and you never know say body could open.
You don't hear me?
You're mad. Nyamwa.
Me I tell you
What me
say
look
you
like
don't
to
hear me.
you? What me look like? Eh? Me look like me stuff?
Yeah. You can see white scarlet by your mouth.
Guess what? A jar lip me have. You know what you do now? You're going to go cook your 2 look of fine rice.
Oh, that me go do me cookie butter and cast some conky.
No.
Cause you need it.
Shorty, behave shorty.
I can't go in my house now. You can't call me good. Girl, go on your yard, yeah, man. Go cook me 2 grain of rice.
Dirty girl, wicked girl.
What problem?
Yes, how dirty wicked girl. You're real wicked, you
Me
know.
a wicked and Yawa.
You're real wicked.
Oh, and Yawa.
It's a lie, you're a wicked girl.
How me lie with?
What do you mean by your breed?
Me did not breed, but me lose the baby.
I go put bang in your belly.
Because, you know, you are idiot.
What do you mean by
Which
idiot?
ultrasound for 65,000?
You don't know about being work.
Ultrasound is, the prices are depending on what you're doing the ultrasound for. You make nobody tell us the ultrasound.
You may call me boss, I'll fire me to you.
Oh my God, you know, make no little money. So, anyways, me still want the
You still, where me
65,000.
get it from? Me now work.
See, I get a
Most
call, you
bossy.
go for one work that.
Most
But me not
bossy.
really business, what call it, where them I call it for. Just try and make me get the 60. You listen to me?
Hello? Yeah. Alright. Yeah, me someone saying it. Yeah.
Is that what I get?
Yeah.
So, alright. Listen to me, you know, it's like when you get a work, me still want the 65,000, right? And just when I give me this, listen to me.
With 65,000 for what?
To take care of myself, remember me, when you look me tell you say, me very expensive.
Me I call about it. Hold on, me I call about it.
Me never tell you say me expensive when you look me.
Me never responsible about that. Yes, for
Me
wicked
never
and lie.
responsible for that.
You can maintain it.
So continue maintain
Maintain
it because
what?
a regular
Me
you come and
lose,
shop
look,
without
look.
money, you know.
Me lose. So
A
what?
regular you come and shop without money.
That not say.
You still owe me.
I no owe.
What you mean no owe?
Me been a
You
spend.
been a spend on what?
No pan in shop.
The shop run down now, so you
You
need to
run down.
restock.
The bank locked down.
Listen to me now.
Me say bank
Me still
locked.
need the 65,000,
Where
right?
me I get it from?
And from today, shop lock. This shop is not open up back until 2050. All if you restock it today, you not open up back. So when you give me the money, we will make you know what can go on in the
When
due
the
time
bank,
till the shop
listen me,
open.
listen me. So the bank open back, so the shop open in 2025, you say?
Yeah.
The bank shall open a time there. So if you want a 60 ball, 50 ball, or 100 ball, next what? 2050.
Alright, yeah, that deal, yeah. Go link your boss and see if you can get back the work because chopping a bush never did that make no money, but you can use it right now. Okay, you need that.
You may need it for sure. Yeah, watch him.
From you see me know me pasty. Me have one master when me name my tasty. Around from them pastry. Woman I should run me one quick. Let me take a little further. A long time when I'm done. And my finger. Oh yeah though. I'm mock me girl. Oh yeah though. Oh yeah come out to the wine pan big one. Oh yeah though.
Me come out here, me see her dance, and me a dance with the favor of my daughter. Tell me you me for. Why would you do that?
You know normally run down mother-daughter time.
When
So
me
I'm
come out
not-
here, me see you enjoy yourself. So me say me a enjoy myself with the two and you with me.
Alright, if I saw hush. Hush.
You know, so me can't bet you man out here think about.
Of course, then the must. Then the must think about my new man.
Which new man? Who,
That's
daddy?
for me.
My father, yes, me knows my father they have come up. Me know say love
Me
you, me know.
nah go back to that cup soup. Eh?
Don't call my father no cup soup.
Alright,
Do not miss him like that.
No, me not call him no cup soup. But my man is better than all boiled franks here.
Remember old boy Franks?
Hey,
Me not understand.
you know when you boil franks and they boil and go soggy so and floppy so and you have to fry it up to make it get little body pan it.
Yes.
Boil franks and cup soup noodle. That is your father.
Or that you call him.
You
You
need
know
to go more
you
in
know
it.
say ungrateful though.
Hey girl, you want another box?
You're ungrateful.
Who?
Listen to me. You talk about new man, right?
Then I must go backwards or forward. Me I go.
Let me ask you something. when I meet the new man, I and the new man get married and have picnic together, I forget about me how I go. Or hold on. I meet the new man and he take up you and fly out on overseas. How that go? You forget about me?
How we go for your
Or you take up the new man and he breed you and left you like how my father did.
I'm glad you know what your father did do, but leave who? You get it backward.
No, him,
And me
him left you.
leave that.
No, him left you.
No, you did it. I did have sense.
Him left you.
You have sense.
My father tell me say him left you.
That's
and
how
him
me
believe.
know say you getting brain, you know, Shawty.
Yes.
Me pray for you night and day, you still pick up him brain.
My father pray for me too.
Oh God.
Yes.
And you still a thank him for the 2 grain of rice, not true?
Of course.
Big barrel in
Me
bed.
eat it with dry, me eat it with butter, me did enjoy it. Yes.
Cause so food you are gonna make man catch you with too. You not no standards, Shawty.
But remember
But
say,
me have standards, baby girl.
but remember say, yeah, me did take kitchen with. So you can't talk about me. You me get it in Guyama Island, you eat it. So me get rice, me eat it with butter.
I lick you want, Me know say you not come out here for no woman and mother daughter time, you know. You come out for perplex my brain, I crush my spirit, you know.
I chew too.
You think say that could I catch me with that?
I think
A friend set me up with him and blind date.
no in Guyama Island, you eat it.
Okay,
Yeah, run
you
with it.
carry on. Go on, believe your father.
Let me
Yam the sauce of rice and believe your dead left cooper. Cause that's all him live for is dead left.
If you know dead left anything you have him work hard and do
Okay,
it.
him
I get
work
it.
hard.
Yes.
Him work hard. Him not what him do? What job him do?
He sit down and he watch people work for him and he pay them and he making good money. Yes, that he do.
Shawty not talk so in public here. Cause people in the district know him and then you talk so it's bad enough say make him think help make you. Nobody talk them foolishness.
At least he have a business and a mind of his own. Unlike you always sing on the paper, a man for feed you. Leave me father alone.
Little girl.
Leave me father alone.
Little girl. May chop it off, you know.
And my father do it, I can't chop off.
Make it worse, so me chop off it.
Make him here.
Make it worse, me chop off it.
Man, me come
Rank
in
now.
and make it
Rank
come beat
phone him now. Phone him now. Rank with me again. Rank with me again. Rank me God. No, me not hear you. Rank with me
You
again.
call me daddy, make him beat
Go on now. You have the phone in your hand. Go on now.
No credit.
Rank with me again.
No credit.
Little girl, go inside before me bust your backside out here.
Call me daddy.
Why you never phone him out here? Go on inside before me bust. Hey.
Boss up now.
Bust what? Little girl, I get break from me, you know. Watch me and you. Hey, girl, come here. Phone him now. Phone him now and tell him what me do you. You know, perplex my brain today, you know, little girl.
What? Look at it.
I did.
Yeah, my father.
So I'm tired, bro. I don't
So,
say
yeah.
I'm zone out there.
Boy, I'm stressed out, boy.
Okay.
You with me a bun from when I'm drinking right now. I feel that I'm giving them a hug.
You get some more money from there.
Get so much money from. You didn't even know, man. I walk on a beg nowadays. The smallest man, I tap on a beg. Bigger bills, bigger 2 bills, bigger me can
Yeah,
beg.
big. You know,
And that me I tell you now, the woman, when the so-called of the ex, you know, so one time Tim said she a bring me at time, you know. But you must say, you know, want no fit me. You want dash your belly. But to me, I recommend me look at the money and tell me give him a piece of money because dash your belly. But yes, see they know, me I walk about my business. Me I walk come from bush matter of fact. Last time everything in my hand. Me I go lick boss me look up pay cheap and now. And she me see right a boss gate like he knows he have paid there something with big belly in front of him. So ask him say, yo, with big
so you have
belly.
big belly and you give money for that shit.
That me actually explain to you now again. She tell me say she got that with the money. Doctor tell her say he belly too later now he can't let that shit when I say just near me money. So I say, alright then. What say you go, say you go.
And you take that so after you work so hard for your money.
No, me must
You
say,
just take it say you have me money.
Yeah, but
You
he
know,
done
hard
gone. He
much
done
money
gone.
again.
60. Don't hurt the boss. No matter with that.
You know, hard. Somebody have to work for 6. And you take that so lightly.
No, but listen now.
60,000. Not even in 1 month, me not work
Me
that.
not make that 1 month neither. Save me some
Not
little
even
money.
in
Save me
1
a
month.
save. Buy me a car to drive around, but I have to go down in it. Now see me now nothing now. So what you know, I say alright. I don't watch no face because I see belly big and everything. So I say alright, if I so big that's so big yes. So I bring her go to bossy, see her and everything, tell bossy what I go on and so much style. But in a mind, I wonder how bossy knows say in a breed. I want ball when the girl have in her belly. And bossy go some bossy with a pin.
But you know, idiot.
I don't really
You don't know when belly fake or real.
No, it look real. If you see yourself in a
Yeah,
pool,
boy, if you're here with my friend right now, my back sit down and ground.
you can't take it right now. Boy, I'm stressed out. I'm stressed out right now, boy, man. Tell you
Stress
but that's one thing me a biggest still. Cause right now, boss is coming
You
like
not
boss.
stress out.
What you mean?
You not stress out,
What do
bro.
you mean me not stressed out?
Yo, that upper yard right now, I make sure you get back your money.
No, me not
You not
meds
stress
that.
out.
So only me that meds, you know, if me
Just-
foolish, and give me 65.
Say you're stressed out, you don't know what is stress. Burning weed and drinking rum is not stress.
So what?
That's a habit.
No, if you free my mind.
Habit.
No, free my mind.
Free your mind. Free your mind. Free your mind from what?
From what go on?
Wagwan.
Woman account.
Wagwan, you say go get back your money. That
Listen, man, right now, hold on, the money can't
Simple
get
as you
back.
see me. You couldn't left out the yard to go get back my money.
But
Yeah,
how
hear that
much
man.
month
Him
that?
can look for me and tell me saying you have my
What month that, daddy?
60,000.
What
What?
month that? Blow up, but
Blow off.
anyway,
That blow off.
Well, listen, no, man.
Blow off. All
Let's
if
go
him
that
buy
now, man.
food and shit out, you better go
Nobody-
take up
nobody
the
make
back
me print. Let's let go that, no,
and
man.
get back my money. I'm mad.
Lego that, no, man. Lego that, man. But I just
I
want
feel that way and it even
me
mean.
know me feel a way more than me happen to. But listen me out. I boss more and feed the link to me because come like boss me when I read me again, I even trust me before I go on with it with cheap. Me right now, boss, I'll fire me a big man.
You see me? You always say loyal to bossy. I see people who are saying loyal, they're not really loyal, you know.
So me no loyal.
You have to prove
Me when I
your
loyal,
loyalty, daddy.
me prove him
Me
multiple
need to
times.
talk to bossy about them sitting there. Bossy just see me and rate me energy, you see me?
Mm-hmm.
I know all bossy give me a card. I got a machine drawing much money. You got your wife saying,
Boss again card.
you mean 100,000 me drive for bossy out there? Big hole of money, so. I mean, not touch not even $1 out of it, bro. Not even $1. I give man. Boss look for me and give me 5,000. I feel that way, no? But me hold it, bro. Me can't draw 100,000 for you for me and give me $5,000.
Right now, I'm rush broke right now. So I give boss a power talk to me. Let's give him a
I
power
talk
talk.
to him for you, man.
Because I need the work. I really need the work. I want top and big. I don't want it big.
Make
Right
sure you
now.
not deal with that girl again.
You're mad. I see him this morning. I see him. I tell him about how if you go talk to boss, we get back work. So, cause he look at chopping money now work out. I say, grab it, take one in your ways, you know.
Stay there, yeah? Stay there. But don't take heed. A sign that
You don't have to tell me that.
big old a sign, just take heed, daddy.
Right now, I see what going from down the rest of the skill, you know. But big up yourself.
Don't
different
talk to
place.
boss if you, man, because we
Different
can't
place.
be
You know,
walk
say-
up on them, bro.
So now I'm going, I mean, now work on some stuff. Say, oh,
Alright.
you can't stop me, I put thing, man.
No. Yeah, I mean, I have you right. He said, I told me to turn out. Boss, give me a little thing yesterday and the shop people, them here will drop in. They feel pay me a money that
Now I'm out, me a digger. That's a fact.
Alright. They're still here.
Yeah, man.
I tell us that. You want real? Oh, me if you gotta take up 60,000, girl. You must be How do you work it?
Oh, God. You done the work?
Okay.
You done the work?
Yeah.
Oh.
Listen to your hands, you know, cut out. You really like to have a boss. You see?
Okay.
Come on, the drive board.
Huh?
Mr. Jarbone come and work, and me alone up there.
Oh, man, me fire that, man.
If
Yeah, man, fire that.
But see, I do respect you know, say I fear thing and you hire who fi hire and I don't know if I can give one next chance. Before you say that, boss, a good youth, you know.
But
A
tell her
good
from,
youth.
but
You
tell
see
her,
my rum bar, drink and a smoke, me stress out.
but tell her from Dana, say, I don't trust that boy. That, you know, say that boy can't one girl come here try to scam me. One girl pregnant and what,
I'm
ultrasound.
saying no, boss.
How you fit there with a woman that don't know, say a balloon the woman have infantile?
He tell me say he never know in the gear how much money other day if that she got. And
He
she
tell you
tell
that?
him say she never dash you, she need me money.
So,
He belly did too big for dash you. Just give man the chance, man. You see, everybody not perfect, you know. Everybody doing perfect.
alright. So because of you,
Just give man next shot. You see if that shot I go miss, you just cut the link.
I'll give him a chance. So here we are telling now. You go back to him, tell him bring a ray come scrape up the yard and back on his job.
Even though me know he might be not loyal and he can know and something, but just give him a chance.
Alright, I'll give him a
Give him
chance.
a chance. Cause even today, me see
Tell him go link me before
him
I
say
go.
sing things, boy. And me I say, can't do that.
What must I say about what?
He must say, oh yeah, collect money at a bank and sitting and a pay.
And you want me iron?
No, listen me, just I tell you how he stay.
Oh.
I mean, I have to
Alright,
tell you, say,
now watch him, now watch him.
boss, him now go collect 100 and pay with 10 grand.
Me I go
Boss,
watch him
in a
today.
stay, so.
Tell him to come with a rake. Come clear up the yard. Come me I look for me woman.
You just him come, you watch him.
Right, me I go check out for my woman.
Me
and
go,
look at-
me go, see if me can chop down and what.
No man, check him, tell him bring the rake come. Then after that me go left it 200 here and then me go link my woman over yard. Come on, check for me.
The woman over here.
Yeah man, she love me, you know, man. She me I wire that in, man. Yesterday me go over there, me wire it. Yes. So you
The
have to
woman have to wire it before somebody else stringing for you, you know.
Ah,
Run the wire them through
cause
it.
me no want
Cause
nobody
somebody
string
else-
my son, you know. My son, I feel give this
Yeah,
me
man.
alone to string it.
Yeah, man. But we link, never link him still,
Yeah.
And
Tell me-
never, more never drop.
No money in the job
You
yet.
say, well, you give me one bonus, boss, man.
Tomorrow I get bonus. Tomorrow I get bonus.
So you know, nothing for him.
No. Tomorrow I get bonus.
Tomorrow then, yeah, even.
Yeah, na even. You're smart with you. I go a bank
How
first.
much you give me?
Me don't know. Me can't know. Cause me know I tell you say one and then tomorrow I
And
have.
3,000.
Same thing. Me can't go tell you say 3, then tomorrow me I give you 2 or
Three.
1.
See, you want to give me $1,000 bonus?
Me know I said that. You know. Listen. Me know I tell you say 3,000.
Alright,
I want to take it out at 1,000.
Alright. Just I give you a thing idea. Our bonus be bonus. That mean the money go bonus up. You understand?
Alright.
Yeah.
No problem. Boy, oh boy.
Oh, the boss hard for working one.
Yeah. Inside boss is going to clean up.
Mm.
And see it outside the fence.
So you say? Not
You
not
will
much
go
in
on now. I'll go over boss over there.
Mm-hmm.
You understand? You go over there. You want to talk to boss if you. One night time I say now the man is run my friends so I want to come play tricks for me. I say, me have to tell him no. Boss say a good youth. You never know about what going.
You know, like, you never know what going for.
Just
For that.
explain everything, bro.
Mm-hmm.
And me tell him say, just use me. If you come in and mess up, fire me instead.
Mm.
Yeah, bro.
Real life.
Real life. I mean, tell him, great in a job one. And I feel
Respect
like I
that.
don't laugh
Enough
and
money
I joke
for me, you
thing,
know.
bro.
No, a serious thing,
So
man. But enough
you
people
come back
people in
for
the
work,
day.
you come back for work, bro. And they on the joke thing.
Mm-hmm.
You see me?
So you
Don't
say?
know the weed thing, that's your weed, that's your cigarette, that's your rum, everything. I work it. We
You can't get a break, man. You can't get
fence
a
line long.
seat, man.
And me out there clean up. Go on over there, go to Bossy. If you
Yeah.
go late, see that probably not get them pay for today. But you can just go on over there, go rake up.
So, me I work for free.
You
And
know,
money
say I
me I
want to
look
eat that though.
Man, say me I hear that and money me I look
No,
for
get
that,
that
man.
one, get back here.
Yeah, me get back work, but
So go over there, go rake
So me
up.
go
You
dig-
don't know
so-
if you might get money.
how you talk here while I go big man?
You don't know if me say time late now, you probably not get a day's pay. You go
Oh,
over there, go just
I tell
look
you,
at
me I walk on a big gate or
chores,
something.
chores.
Me I walk
You
straight
get
big
up
gate.
in down, Mr.
Alright.
Man. This one not making a life and everything you know about money. You want back here, you just go rake up the place, bosses say everything good. Me tell you, still about your money, see, man.
Daddy,
Where you go, man?
look out here.
So you walk all the way from Chuku. You call for me?
So what's wrong with that?
You don't have phone.
No,
You don't know about WhatsApp,
no credit on the penny.
FaceTime.
You don't put no credit penny, so no credit on the penny.
Use them at the hotspot.
Me in a hand.
Your mother ever have service and never see a woman without service.
My mother.
Learn from your mother.
Anyways, I share my cover if you can't tell about. Me, I share that nice thing about it. You know?
Really?
Yes.
Jesus.
And I say want you back in your life.
Who
And-
believe you?
Hmm?
Who believe you?
Now you ain't God.
Me and God. So nobody else will believe you. Well,
From God believe me, I truth me, I tell. So from God believe me, you fi believe me too.
so what felt like this morning?
Me don't know. But me ever tell people say miss you. And if you do like, you know, want you because I will how you going. So me I tell you, you can go back
Boss
and
it.
go film.
Hold on, I'm trying to wait. Hold on, I'm trying to stop. Yes.
Respect on my general.
Yeah, man.
General,
So the next general tell them
yeah,
what
man,
man.
give me show me 400 wagwan.
Yeah, man.
So
If
go for
you
your
don't have
record.
anything up again, you lose it just like that.
No man, you show me a free bossy man. So what you say?
You try and go and clean the roll around. That's what you see me.
You roll around and so.
Yeah, man. I think me have the old lady. You know,
Mm.
she did come here one time, come spend 2 days in her house, and I think he left something like pale pot. So one empty chicken feet.
What you say? In the what?
A pale pot. She,
Pale pot.
yeah, man. She did use the pale pot, so I think you are empty, you know.
Bossy. Me sir. I'm gonna call you now. Call some yard boy bossy.
Yeah.
Me no maid bossy.
And I'm
So
made.
listen, I'm in a housekeeper neither bossy. See in house chores, me no responsible part the bossy. So listen out now. Yeah, so simple must be clean up, man. Chop it down and clean up, make the place look active again. And the worry about bossy. If you not give me big money, and buy a company work, you know.
TNT me say to the youth, you know.
We ain't mean by
TNT
seeing
to the
this
youth.
but look how much work is a bossy. You tell me say over here to not work on in a bossy. And next place, you know, so better just better make clip when next general chop down, make hurry up here and
Alright.
bossy, man.
Alright.
Sir. I come like you know people say okay, it's okay now.
Deal with the way you chop down,
Mm-hmm.
and tomorrow me go to bank, we start you out.
Tomorrow when I go to bank. What time is the bossy?
In the afternoon.
So-
So, don't worry about that.
So me go wake up. Me go out so clean up.
Yeah.
Then me go wait down till tomorrow in the
Yeah.
afternoon before me can get a piece of bread in my pocket bossy.
Yeah.
I go work with me, can't show me what about work bossy, I go work with the bossy.
Alright.
Enough
yeah.
respect bossy, big up yourself.
Yeah.
But you see if pale pan business there, if you find
And
somebody
I with that a while ago. And I that.
get a hold of yourself, man.
Oh!
Get a hold of
you're
yourself.
lucky.
Man.
Come. Yeah, good on your mother.
Yes.
Yeah, wait there, when did you do?
Me did tell us say if you make sure you can money over they go gear.
You never have money, I told you I'm staff, you know, man. You have money, man. Not ready, mother, yeah. You must take out. Make sure.
How are this man?
Yeah, afternoon.
Afternoon.
I'm my daughter, no bother eyes my daughter. Don't bother even eyes my daughter.
But that ain't better than the first
Boss,
one,
you hear
man.
that for this?
You're 16 now, you clap your till you're 18 now. Oh. Oh. I'm a daughter.
So you fair skin to line and she black.
Hey,
You
boy,
don't have
this
nothing to do
is
with the
me.
colour.
And this is
You don't know if I bleach me, I bleach, although me not bleach, but
And if you're picking that.
I'm
But
not-
I know that man, I see.
what is
Me
it?
see the US them.
The money?
Yeah, in your pocket.
No,
Me
that's
glad
an
you
every
bust
one.
through
That's
the
an
gate.
every one.
Eh?
That's an every one. I
No,
don't,
me see, me know I real.
no, listen.
Let me see.
Just I tell her, I say, the money them fake, ask her.
Yes. Federalist.
Don't pick up say your.
Me say Federalist, you're not here for
Yeah.
the yes them next
Yeah.
time.
Check me tomorrow, check me tomorrow.
Go on a choppy bush them.
You sure I hear that?
Go choppy
Jabari?
bush
I'm
them.
my daughter, man.
Daddy, come on, not a
Nice
taxi.
movie, daughter. Nice. Yeah, give me 50 minutes, you know. Nice movie.
You know, that look like a jacket and suit.
Baby, baby. I love you. I heard
You are
about
not better feel.
you.
See your daughter there, go talk to your picnic man. Where you come
No,
on
me,
your
me
fuck?
buy our champagne. We're celebrating today.
Yeah.
Go long go celebrate, man. Shoo. Go long go celebrate.
No, hold on. Mommy, what are you reading?
What?
You read too much. Come here. Sometimes, me want
What?
listen to me. Listen to me good. Me walk too much miles, you know. Me walk too much miles just because tell a man say I like him and I attack.
How you do?
Listen to me now, man. I talk good things about him. Listen. The man have money.
So?
Try to take some money off of him for me and you.
Hey, you think some me one of them girl?
Listen, man.
No, no, me can't hear one answer. No whisper.
No,
Because we are talking about you not to you.
Huh?
What's outcome, daddy? Hold on.
Oh, you're
So
talking
you
about nice
bringing your
moment.
Yes.
Okay,
No.
daughter.
That, mama.
Work it up, my daughter. You mean? Put in the application.
But
Listen,
him and your
no.
father, he will give you money.
Stop loud up a thing, no man.
Me feel to shut your box, you know. How you love cramp people's spirits so? Me they in a good mood. Eh? Me not
Good mood? We hear that one clearly. Yes, you're in a good mood once I'm here. See?
move and go along from out of my presence.
No, me want in your past. Me was in your past.
In
Me
the
want
past and today.
Me want in your present and
No,
the future.
no.
Yeah, I was in the past. Now I want to be in the present and the future.
Which part?
Huh?
For who?
For you.
For your daughter.
No, for you.
In your daughter, past, present, future.
That's when we 18 now when my daughter catch 18 in Ghana man yard. Me not see him again.
No,
until
I'm not
he
going
dead.
to go to college.
Well, do that. That's between you know. We are you can't meet her out the street, man.
like you.
Or your yard.
Dollars, social club. That is what I like. You know.
Hey, lift
Yeah.
up your yard, them.
Yeah.
Nothing below my chin, your yard for look pan here.
No, me
Lift up
okay,
your
I
eye,
like the
them.
eyes, them when-
And nobody look at me and them turn your roll and leave. If you want to leave with him, man.
Mommy, all right.
You make me
So you
skin
tell me say
crawl.
your mother want me. And your mother talk good things about me.
Want who?
I make me come
I
and say
thought
me
you
come
had
give
tell
you
the girl
money.
them by
I
your
will go
phone.
for the moon.
Me look like fallen to you.
Where me my forehead? Where me my
Me
forehead?
will lick in a girl.
Where me my forehead?
Give that to your picnic. Me don't know no chicken head.
You too.
That now frighten me and KFC now frighten me. Nobody put it back in your pocket. For how much years you owe your picnic? She has 16, soon 17.
A chicken, come down.
Me not trick you. Tell him now. Tell him see
Maybe
like
say
him.
plain and straight.
Yes.
Me don't want disrespect nobody. I mean in a good mood, I'm gonna want your mood.
Yes.
Papai, looking at my face good.
I said, I
Make
love
two, I
you.
make four. Shut your mouth. When you see big people like
You
that.
love me. Yeah,
Yes.
thanks.
Yes, Dad.
You
Yes.
love me.
Me no love you.
Jesus.
Me never love
Look
you.
what you do.
And me will never love you.
It's like embarrassment.
Me thank you from the depths of my core
Well,
for your sperm.
no, me glad to talk about sperm. One of my staff come in my yard and while me and she come out. And go look at me and ask me for my daughter. When me tell him it's my daughter. And he ask me who she and me say my daughter. He will ask me to show it's my daughter kind of favor me. She dark, I'm brown. Make me understand why I want right yes or no.
So yeah, full people that work for you same way.
Because since I've been I know you stay in a bed. Just show it my chance.
Yeah, hey.
I
No,
am
me
this
live up in there, you know.
Just
No,
show it.
me take shotty and beat you, you know.
Just
Come
show
here,
my
take
chance.
shotty and beat you, you know.
Why are this
Now
one?
rise me up. Come here, take
Listen
shotty
me.
beat you.
Why
One of my workers they make sure ask to say she a jacket in it. Because she don't look like me. She don't have nothing to me. And in kind of right. Because me, no, me that I feel really have melon head.
What
I melon
a
head.
thing, though, you know.
who you call melon head? I'm like you.
Or
Tell me head
octopus.
good.
But anyway, I'm talking. You know, come on, man. Let's get back together, man. There's no other man like me.
True.
That is the first truth you talk all day.
You laugh.
Well done. Don't touch my antenna. Allow me antenna then. Allow me lock.
You remember the first time we meet? And they just have me hand from your forehead go down and then it's to the private part and because
That is
You was
what
like-
you do the other girl them.
no, you're
Me
alone.
and you.
You're alone.
Go
You're
along,
from your
man. Come
forehead go down and
out.
from
Stop
the-
living in memories.
No.
Stop living in your memories.
No man, I know them style, you know.
That's true, Daddy,
You remember
that's
it? Go inside. Take your back side, go inside. I'm not going to realize you're there, so.
What that true?
And me I go deal with you later.
Go inside.
Like a liar self. Look how you can cause me, man.
Good.
And me did in a
You
good
remember the
mood.
time when we get the ice water and we dip it and there and make me hand stay 20 minutes till it cramp nearly jump off and we just dip it down in your panty. You say, woohoo, baby! And you come. Eh?
Papai.
You come.
Papai.
So that's why you feel
And then your hand you put in the ice water.
I mean,
And your John Dooley. And it shrivel up so. And my name come. You did go. Go on.
no, my hand.
Go on.
And Sister Palmer did take over the
Yeah, me know
Jandula.
say next woman you think about, you know. Me know say next woman you think about and I come disrespect
See me and
me.
Sister Palmer.
Me in the business.
Sister
Me in the
Palmer.
business. We go on with Sister Palmer and her 5 sisters them.
No, you me like.
Me
I
not
don't
like
know
you.
why.
Go on,
Sister Palmer
man.
is just for a moment.
You're
of
coming
time.
like manure, a bad scent that leave a bad
To me,
taste.
baby, you're like my rainbow. Me just see you over the water and me just sit and take a picture.
But go long and go sit and take a picture.
To me, you're like my car. We just put gas in you and we just rev you all day around and blow you down. Poop, poop, poop. Yeah. To me, you're like a truck. You make noise right through the night. Honk, 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 honk. Choo, choo. Yeah, you know. You remember them time there? To me, you're like Alaska. When I mix you, nothing beats you.
No, Mary Alaska to you.
Sweet
You
like
see
a
where
honey.
you see where you digest me, I gotta run your belly one hey, what sweet nanny goat I gotta run your belly.
You go want me, you know.
Go long.
You go want me. 'Cause
Bye
this
bye.
You see, you can't get no other
Cup
man
soup,
like
go on, man. Me don't want no cup
Yes!
soup.
Everybody wants to drink me.
No, because
Cup soup.
you know how you turn and why me don't want you?
Yeah.
Because you turn like the noodle them in the cup soup. When you lift them up on the fork, so you just wiggle down and wither down. So go on, man. Me don't want
Let
no
me
cup
ask you a
soup in
question.
my life.
I'll let you with a good advice. When you want to catch fish a river, right, the lake fish them, you go into the ground, the dirt, and dig up the worms. And you drop it in the water and the worm then wiggle up and catch fish. Yes, and that me do. Me wiggle up and me catch you. I catch you.
Worm
Wiggle,
man.
wiggle.
Go on, worm man.
Wiggle, wiggle.
Go on, worm
And the
man.
wiggle, wiggle. Yeah, I
Go on,
catch you.
worm man.
Me know you like me, man. Wiggle, wiggle.
Go on, worm man.
Call me the worm man. That's
Dirty water, you want me to dash it on you? Me dash it on you, you know? Go on.
You
You
like
give your
me,
picnic no money?
Huh?
You flash money, like some money can catch you.
Yes.
You give your picnic no money?
Awesome.
Give her some more money
I
and
give
go
her-
and about your business.
I give her 60 grand just now.
60.
I have money.
Go long, go long.
Look, you know.
Go long over the...
Take it.
Hey, catch it there, sir. Go long. Shorty, me and you are going to talk.
Yeah, man, Ginal. We book again. Coming on my yard and I
Come here,
come trick
let me
me.
explain something to you.
Eh?
Let me explain
You
something
think-
to you. Can you get it all wrong? Me? You don't know Ginal better. Me explain something to you. See the man in really and truly like disrespect woman. You see it? In classy woman them call them Gaspan and this there. So me just do something to him.
Oh, I see.
All the while when many things say inside, inside, I leg him a rub.
Jesus!
Leg him a rub. So me
Hey,
just
that's
tell
why
him
when me
say me
dey palm my
breathe.
woman, you know, me I lash my woman love it, you know.
Oh,
My woman's on a firm, like them lighthouse.
good for you and your woman, but
That's why I take up man like a man with money.
you have sense.
Of course.
Say me lock shop from you, you're gonna say shop lock and I shop there. Even when me keep like a baby help on it.
Me never know. Cause remember, you know, I use it. I'm the old school.
So you know no money for you.
Yeah, no.
Open a give dirty boy you walk back you know. Come in and one thing get back you walk you know. Man look at them no fi work for you.
Well,
Man look at them for dead, for hungry, starve.
well, I kind of give the work and I give a higher pay, you know.
You say idiot, you know idiot too?
No,
You're a
man.
big idiot too.
I other virgin beg things, some of that
Which
stick
other
in my-
virgin? Say other virgin have money?
Yeah, man, they make money.
You don't know the other virgin thing.
Yeah, man, make money, man, and me have money too. So, you know, so from the boss have money.
Yeah,
they
but you have
money.
your woman, man. You say you work skin for your woman. You have
No,
your
me
woman.
single, you know. My woman don't want me back because
You're kind of too old for me.
you call how? How old you think me be?
44,
You must be mad.
55.
No,
Lower?
man, I'm still young.
Well,
I'm
yet-
30.
Oh, you're old. Me young.
No, me
You're,
just,
you're just 17. Me can't do this. You're too old.
no, me at 30. 17
Anyways,
and 30
me like
not
how you
too
give back
old.
the little workless boy the work. Cause more about this, more than 60,000 I find.
That's how you get off him. You can't give more, man. Check me from yard. Can't give 80,000.
Me can't get it funny without chicken my female. Me just go and tell him say belly hurt me. Morning.
Alright. Check me from the ground then. You don't have to check me from yard.
You can't check him on the roadside and get him. You not figure no wrong. You can't trick me.
Oh, check me in the lane tonight.
You go on. Walk with grace. Walk with grace.
You think a party
Check
balloon
in,
this?
idiot.
You walk with this?
You think you're an idiot? You must nobody for scam. From me hear the key swing a ling ling, me know you are come.
What go on now, baby?
There here, our problem.
Anyway, from my go shopping the ground here. Shopping. Something like that. And buy yourself a juice.
Alright, my baby. Yes, me like it. I'm here, so you get back to work, so go and work and carry money come.
So when time I give money, make you call me baby.
No, you have the original baby man, but two years pull a stunt for me over your boss.
No,
with
you
your
put a
boss.
stunt for me.
No man, you pull a stunt for me, man.
You almost fool me with that like big belly. I say yes, boy, I couldn't fuck now. Check it out. A balloon.
So you really want on fire? You have to work a little harder.
Let me have a little harder.
So if I see me with you, honestly, you can't give me 60,000, you know.
What do you mean by that?
Some 200 brick me want to see and 300 brick off a meal me want to go. But me I do it 60,000. You think a boy if you take care of picnic? That's a man job.
So, well on there, when me out take up 200 or 300 or half a milk, you. That will be able to get that.
Clothes, pampers, rug, feed, lasco, buckle, and food in my belly to breastfeed him or she.
Alright, me know say when me I go to school, I didn't so good for maths in the butt.
Let me
Me know
explain
say-
you out for you.
Well on now.
A box of pampers is about 30,000-40,000.
Box
A
of
box
Pampers.
of wipes is
Yeah.
about 20,000. A box of formula is about 50,000. Clothes not cheap. When in land of Jamaica, me have to pay a shipping fee. Me need things to eat so my body can stay healthy to take care
So
of
what
the
I know?
baby.
You see 30, 20, 50, like 100.
Yes. And what about me?
No. Clothes.
That about one next 50. When it come
Fee
on
baby
next
now.
10, it's 60. Shoes
So
for baby we
well,
are.
160 that. No, clothes and shoes are same difference. So that 160 that in all.
Yeah.
So
Formula. And the pampers.
no what that me I tell you.
Oh.
The other priority 160.
Oh, I don't remember.
The other people, no. Me tell you something that at school go do much like that, but me can help myself.
At the end of the day, and then if you waste man alone check up money when they give you money, you waste man.
No, me must have pick to get the money, you know. And you forget the money I pick.
So now if you trip, you unplug, you have to do every little cent and dollars and yeah, mama.
No, mama and style, but
I move like a boy now, man.
if you birthday, if you leave my yard right.
No, that not gonna work. You can't tie me down, I'm too young.
So me if you take up my money.
I have to come on the streets.
So me take up my money and get you.
Yes, we take care of your picnic. I'm left in my yard.
Come like a feel my idiot.
I give you
You have to
a
my
fool.
yard right through like night joke with my youth. I look over him right through like night joke. You hear that? So yeah, something else to show.
And I'm here to talk to you know.
So I'm here to talk to.
Me back. Cause I got me got. When you have more money, you'll let me.
Yeah, one me have more money to link to. So me say good food, me appear them back on you know. The thing good food, rest my beer.
Very glad me meet man like you, you know. Strong young man like that. Yeah, man. Adapt my love. Adapt my love.
You.
know him?
For what talk?
What happened now?
Me by what?
No work every day. What happened? So what does that have to do with it? With me?
You know what I want to know? You see, I'm blind, hear, I'm deaf, talk and dumb.
Tell me now. Me can't walk. I follow me and follow her.
Follow. No, my ears all hear me.
Yeah, what you hear, sir?
You hear something?
You hear what?
I hear a show a muscle ball, big and
No,
strong
she
man
say
and
me
this.
strong, so me I sure say
And a
me
long
have
time.
something there.
Where you go? See, I'm blind, hear and deaf first.
There a problem?
He might
Problem?
come talk about me have to give him something about if you see I'm blind and hear and there.
What kind
He
of...
work for your husband.
Everywhere
That is-
me go, him a
Relax.
haunt me.
Relax. Here, because you don't see we do nothing. Really.
So,
No buy a Joe, one Joe still. When the time right.
no, my time right now. No, the time is right.
Alright, I can't deal with the
You
problem.
know, say enough is hard for me. Because me make you get back your work.
No, I'm grateful for that. Grateful for that.
Me make you get back your work. So you shouldn't want to come
You know me, I
try
pray now.
blackmail me right now.
Remember, I did about me a link to 50 piece of work and you tell me about how loyalty and loyalty this and loyalty that. And you tell me about you loyal and loyal.
Listen, man.
Let's give me something.
Alright,
Man.
hold on.
120 ball will do me good.
And that will make you blind and deaf and dumb.
And dumb.
Yeah, behave too greedy now.
Really.
20,000, yeah, behave too greedy now, Jabon.
200, bro.
Yeah, behave too greedy now. Too greedy. Way too greedy.
You want the problem.
Well, listen. Too greedy now, man. Buy a one juice. This month, just not tell nobody, say, see we, or here we are sending up on this street.
Well,
Just put that in your pocket. Put that.
me dumb. Me deaf.
Alright, yo. Next time, when you see you, make you something heavier than this. Good?
No, give me something heavier now, man.
Next time.
You for the
Next
better,
time.
man.
Alright, no.
Yeah, ask her, bro.
You're
Just
good, man.
Next time.
Escape this time,
Next
man.
time.
Escape this shit.
Next time.
Next time.
I don't really know. I just talk. Me not talk.
Just start talk.
No, not that way there. Just cool, man.
No, I'm saying nothing for I'm saying you're good, bro. I'm good.
Alright, I'm serious then, yeah?
Yeah, man, I go down for you to search out.
Yeah. Remember me
Boss
saying
lady, I'm here for that, man. So we good like a gold boss. I'm here,
Alright.
man.
So yeah, I got work today.
Yeah, man, I go find work today, man. Put me some extra hours.
Alright. Me so forward still.
I'm here, man. Don't worry yourself, big man. I'm here, man. I got you, big man.
Yeah, bro. I say me not too trust that boy. Boy, I'm more slippery. You know.
Me not like
Me
him,
not
me
pay
not
my
have
mind,
a
so.
problem. My ex is a pain in the ass. When me say pain, me mean pain.
I really watch him. No, me got the already, babes.
Kind
Come
of.
on.
Alright, B.
No. Who are the bossy woman? I plan B for them, man. You can't go on. Don't worry about men who herb, you know. So good, man. I don't mind. You see my pass again, you know, man, so I can. This time I don't know this time. No matter this time, man. I'm going to use a video.
You ever did what you and me go? Oh God, can be more food on the road.
Come on, money, you want, but different to me, something tell you.
Oh God.
The same boy,
You get a bigger job?
work, bigger job at that. Me and mates are now.
Oh.
But me see bossy wife with my co-worker. I see when I collect bossy money. Bossy
And what for and baby mother?
I see him difference.
No, me I say they left.
They left.
So me are you in the
No, I
street?
see him different, but I still have something going on.
Oh.
Remember, you know, baby mother, baby father, then can't left.
True that.
So
So them life story never drop.
never drop.
Never
But
drop.
me, I wonder if me could tell bossy, so me can be bossy favorite. Cause I collect much money for bossy, you know, and put your money in one pocket to bossy when I complain about it, you know. Me, I wonder if me pick up.
Me I think if you do that, you know, you are going with Informer. Which man you see Inform nowadays and living?
That true
It
still.
make no sense we do that, brother. That no worth the time.
That true still, but I wonder if it can work out. Cause more and chat no piece of food, you know.
Well, the only thing me can tell you is blackmail your co-worker, but if you tell the boss that now make no sense.
So,
Yeah, look corrupt and
Corrupt.
bad mind. Yeah.
so
So I gone still, you know, no money can give me cause I want to buy one food in town.
piece of that. Where's the man? Food can buy anytime, man. Just come to the fire.
No, me can't trick you, me tell you say 60,000 we want last week, gone. And what you give me?
You give half of it. So
Half a shop no work?
you win that. We must count one win that.
No, window closed, door closed, window lock, roof lock, everything lock. Is that you're giving me the money to go and buy the food down the town, or you go to the person, they go to Anmigel and me circle another man. Cause what one man can't give, another man will.
Let's go get where you look for money.
So give me your money now.
No, I'll be right now to give.
So you have if you did go to Anmigel.
With a hand middle.
You do your work list.
Work list, me to give a box food money. Me get to take
And
that.
you see a box food money that's less than $1,000 and you don't have it.
But listen, where did the water gonna get last week?
We use it buy some bleaching cream and something hair product.
Bleaching cream.
Yeah, if you want a nigga them with me I talk to, you say no bleaching, some buy some.
Take care of my boy, that's it.
Now give me money and I give me
Use
money.
my money.
Just broke pocket.
Make glad me a
But anyways, is it true you know don't pay me yet? No inform because if you inform, you may be unalive. I'm still like you.
Like money, like.
Yes, yeah.
More go country. Because my daughter,
What we do?
things are get too hot here, man. We can't take the moderation. Your worker, co-worker, my daughter gets suspicious. I mean, I can't take the moderation.
Tell the babes just forget about them, no man, and go work. They can't make sick of people and happy. You follow people, you people you live for.
You know how Papa is.
This is me and you.
And I'm your boss.
Me not fear me. Anything in the pan, me the pan.
That's why I have to love you, you know. That's why I have to love you. But me don't want you getting a botheration and me can't take the botheration. So me go country for a few days and go spend some time with family.
Alright then, babes. Anything I say, I just, as long as you will be happy, me good.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. By the time I come back, you're not going to be long, you know. Just for a few weeks. Make things die down. And then you can come up and check me too. I will be more
All that
private.
the true. So yes, I'll leave her now.
Yeah, because like how Session did it, we want to leave and send her a message. Me no want the whole heap of question and
Alright, so
botheration.
I'll follow you over then.
Thank you. All right. Yeah, babe. See, she not there. So we run in and get her bag quick and right to her.
Alright,
The
nice to
soon
right
come.
here, sir.
All right, the soon come.
Oh, God. Oh, sometimes I so like it. Everything is very so far, like it is done fuck already, man.
Yeah, man. We did come check you. They tell you, say, I'm not leave and not tell you.
Oh, lucky door good.
Yeah, man. I'm leaving.
Mommy,
Text her.
where your great bag? What you
Sasha.
doing over here?
What you not even say good evening to the man and also me grow you.
Alright, good evening. I'm sorry. Where am I doing over here?
What I mean by you know me?
No, you work for my father. You remember me? My father. Yes.
No.
No.
Me I go country.
Yeah.
Me I go up to your auntie for a few days. Me leave you and food in at the fridge and everything. Me leave you a note with everything.
This year? Okay,
I'm a
nice to
taxi
meet you.
driver. You might take me to bus park. How
Taxi driver.
Mm-hmm.
A chopping chop bush for daddy, but you're taxi driver.
Who are your father?
Popeye! Him a wear chop bush for.
Oh.
The man there.
Am I my twin brother work for him?
But
Me a twin.
Is he a twin? Oh.
you never
Twin
know.
brother work
No,
for
me
him.
never know. Cause they look alike. They look alike.
No,
Identical
Hey,
twin.
next time I go over there, look.
Oh.
Look and see my brother. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Him brown.
Oh, so your twin brother, you tell me, tell me father, so me a jacket.
That damn boy. I saying straight. I
Oh.
saying straight. I'm
Alright.
a twin man.
Yes.
I
Nice
made mother taxi driver. I work a bus bar.
So me can call for be my taxi driver too.
Yeah, man. Anytime you're ready, man.
You
just
can't
call.
be our taxi driver here.
Why?
You're too young and you go to school. You for walk, you for exercise.
You feel walk, you feel
Come.
exercise,
No,
you
man.
get
If
old.
you want
Food,
taxi
no,
driver,
she don't need no taxi.
Yes.
Food in the fridge and everything. I'm going to leave instructions on the bed. You know my number and everything. Nobody burn my house down or not. No parties, no nothing.
Yeah,
no
man,
boys,
bring
no nothing
nobody
here.
over here.
Yeah, I got country. Go on, come.
Right, behave yourself. Come here, have my
Yeah, now
watchers.
start to be
All
careful.
right.
Alright, bye.
Love you. Bye. And you not take no taxi. Taxi go away.
Me I take taxi, me I call him. Now where yourself? I'm going to call him.
I'm going to miss you, no be.
I didn't even know I'm going to say I'm here.
You have to phone me every day. Yeah.
Every second round the clock.
Daddy, you can't leave woman alone, daddy. We stay so.
You see him and I there?
What do you mean?
I'm like, no, me I do him a big
What
favor.
do you mean I do a big favor? Yeah, stab him on 9 bucks. And that you do.
Him not take care of the right
What do
way.
you mean I take care of me right way?
Him not have the stamina with me got.
Exactly.
Him not have the length with me got. Him not have what me got.
The moves. you
And the
have.
moves, him not have that.
So you're trying to tell me, say?
Me and that not there no more.
No, man, I can't. That,
They are
man,
not,
I
they
can't
are
do
not
bossy, man.
together.
Hmm?
And
No,
me
so
and
you-
man is the
I told
machine.
you step in and they're together.
No. I true your boss now
Hey,
no
listen.
use.
Boss, nah,
Listen,
no use.
boss in no use. She have to tell me say, boss, you see boss here.
Mm-hmm.
And see me
And
here.
all that too big.
Wait, look how far me there. Look how far me there from this.
They're far patrol, man.
4.
Mm-hmm.
Man.
And a true.
Sure.
A true. Up here. Tickle, tickle, you hear? Kitchy, kitchy,
And she
come in
laugh.
that. No want a
When me a
man.
tamper, she have your ball.
Me not tell no lie, no. Me see I'm blind, you know. I'm here and deaf, you know. But
Listen, me no business what you want
I
do.
feel trouble bossy a morning. Me no responsible
Me
thing,
no
but
business
I feel
what you
trouble bossy,
want
I know,
do.
man.
But you see, if
I
you
want
go
to-
up in your mouth, you're going to know the outcome
No,
of
man.
what go on.
No, so me no
You
responsible
go
about
know
that.
the outcome
Tell
of
him,
what go reach you. Because
But you cannot
me
know.
tell you say lock your mouth and you still want to go chat the end back.
Check me in the back. seems like you don't love your life though.
You know,
love
like
my
some
life.
people have heard the thing, you
Me
know.
What do you
love
mean
my
by that
life.
now?
Everything good, man.
But
And every
Me see am-
soup have
me
a
say-
belly, you know.
No, what?
You go on.
no,
You
as me
go
say,
on,
as
man.
me say,
Everything
me
good.
see am blind
Come beers,
here and there. But
night
after
I
the
come
boss.
Move and go on, yeah.
Go on. Me go to the bossy man. My most mighty, high and mighty. Me, what incredible much woman now one go. Me have to trouble bossy. No, so it's a must man. As me see bossy, me trouble him man.
So yeah guys, and I made it to the end. Thank you so much to watch it right out to the end. I am so grateful, and for my true supporters, thank you all. I love you all. Have a blessed evening or a blessed night whenever you're watching this. See you soon.